If you're trying to figure out whether spot pet insurance is worth it, stick with me. By the end, you'll know exactly how to evaluate it for your own pet. Too many people rush into a policy without understanding what they're actually getting, and that's where costs and expectations start to clash. Let's break this down clearly, starting with what makes Spot stand out, then weighing where it may fall short. Spot positions itself as a comprehensive, customizable insurance option for cats and dogs. One of its biggest advantages is that it doesn't enforce an upper age limit. That's rare in the pet insurance world and especially valuable if you have a senior pet that may struggle to qualify elsewhere. You can choose between two main plans, accident and illness or accident only. From there, you have the option to add wellness packages, gold or platinum, that cover preventive services like checkups, dental cleanings, and vaccinations. Coverage is another strong area. Spot includes many things other companies leave out, such as acupuncture, behavioral therapies, hereditary conditions, and alternative treatments. If your pet has unique medical needs, this type of coverage can make a big difference. The customization doesn't stop there. Spot gives you control over your deductible, annual limits, and reimbursement rates. That means you can adjust the cost of your premium to match your budget without losing essential protection. With all of that said, there are still some things to watch out for. First, Spot has a 14-day waiting period before coverage kicks in, so it's not a solution for urgent or immediate needs. Another limitation is that it doesn't cover exotic pets. Only dogs and cats are eligible. Even though reimbursement rates can go up to 90%, you still have to pay vet bills upfront and file a claim through their app or website to get your money back. Since Spot is a relatively newer company, many people question its reliability. However, its reputation so far is strong, with high user ratings on Trustpilot and an A rating from the Better Business Bureau. That tells us customers are generally satisfied with the service and claims process. To evaluate whether Spot is a good fit, start with your pet's age, breed, and medical history. Consider whether wellness coverage or alternative treatments matter to you. Look at your budget and test different deductible and reimbursement combinations to see what feels realistic. And of course, compare it with at least one or two competitors so you understand what you might be giving up or gaining. If flexibility, broad coverage, and options for older pets rank high for you, Spot is likely to check those boxes. But if you need immediate coverage, own an exotic pet, or prefer a provider that pays vets directly, you'll want to explore alternatives or set clear expectations. Before you go, remember, pet insurance is only useful if it matches your needs, not just your pet's. Taking a few minutes to evaluate the plan now can save you money and stress later. If this breakdown helped, stick around for more practical guides like this, and I'll see you in the next one.